Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. Today I'm going to show you how to make our light the way earrings. These earrings use Swarovski crystal beads to make a cute candlestick design that's perfect for the winter holidays or any time of year. To make these earrings, you're going to need two 5mm Fire Opal Swarovski Crystal Bicone beads, two 6mm Swarovski Crystal Rhinestone Rondelle beads, two 10mm Emerald Swarovski Crystal Margarita beads, and two 15mm Moonlight Swarovski Crystal Fine Rocks tube beads with gold ends. You're also going to need two 24-gauge 2-inch head pins, your ear wires, your round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and some wire cutters. And you can find all of these product links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so to start, you just want to take your head pin, and we're just going to add these beads here, starting with the Margarita bead, and then the Rhinestone Rondelle bead, and then the Fine Rocks tube bead, and that Bicone bead. Okay, so now we just want to create a wire wrap loop at the top here. So we first want to bend 90 degrees. So you want to leave a little space between the bend and your bead. Just bend using your chain nose. And then taking your round nose pliers, about 3/8 of an inch out. Just grasp that wire and then just rotate around. That's going to create your loop. Take some chain nose and just grasp that loop there. And then you want to just take another pair of chain nose and just wrap that tail around. You should get about 3 wraps. Okay, so then take your wire cutters, cut the tail, and then you can take your chain nose and just tuck the tail of wire, just so it doesn't snag on anything. And there you have your wire wrap loop. Okay, so now we just want to add or attach our ear wire. So just open up that loop of your ear wire, attach that wire wrap loop, and then close that back up. Okay, and there you have one candlestick earring. And then you just want to repeat that for your other earring. And now you have a cute pair of candlestick earrings to wear this season. You can find all of the tools and materials for your light the way earrings at fusionbeads.com. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure and hit the like button below. And you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any exciting new DIY projects and technique videos we add in the future. Thanks for watching.